the 2007 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.